There's nothing new under the sun. Okay, keep that in mind. There's nothing new under the sun. Someone is copying it from somewhere and somewhere and somewhere and vice versa. Yes, even po yung favorite ninyong pastor, favorite mong author, favorite mong pare, o favorite mong tao na pinakamamahal-mahal mo, like it or not, they got it. Sino po ba ang mga kilalang top public speaker or teacher natin sa Philippines? Or coach or mentor? Yung naaalala po ninyong favorite ninyong author, speaker, coach, or mentor sa Philippines? Francis Kong, Bo Sanchez. Let's be honest in here. Do you Jon Orana, honestly, Chinkitan. Okay, I really admire these people because when I was young, I'm already hearing them. But let me ask you, do you honestly think na Francis Kong, Bo Sanchez, Chinkitan, yung content po, yung mga libro nilang nire-release, mga course nilang nire-release, mga event nilang nire-release, are they 100% unique? Yes or no? Are those content na nire-release po nila, are they sa kanila talaga nagsimula yon without any other references? Do you really believe that? I highly doubt it. So a lot of these people, for example, Francis Kong, I know he's a fan of Jim Rohn and Zig Ziglar. But if you will study their materials and also study other materials, you probably can see some parallel. Now, I'm not saying, my friend, that they are plagiarizing them. Magkaiba po yun. Okay? It is just an inspiration and references. They may rephrase it in such a different word and vice versa. Ganon din po si Jon Orana. Okay? Now, the biggest thing that I can give you is I don't teach something that I personally have not experienced, that I personally don't know how to do it. So that I just want to be clear. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.